We are talking about Commonwealth Bank. Our group members have Bhakti, Farhana, Mengting, and Zen. Firstly, I will introduce the background of Commonwealth Bank. The Commonwealth Bank of Australia is an Australian multinational enterprise. Business of Commonwealth Bank is distributed in New Zealand, Asia, USA, and the UK. It mainly provides various financial services. It wants to improve the financial life of people and their business.
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the global market environment is changing significantly as echoed by S&P Global Ratings. The study will use the PESTEL analysis model to identify the changing factor faced by Commonwealth. Political factors. Trade disputes between China and the United States has greatly affected international trade, affecting even China and Australia business relationship by increasing tariffs on products like barley, stirring business risk in the banking sector. Economic factors. COVID-19 has greatly impacted global economy, with Australia recording a 7.1%, the highest ever rise in unemployment in May 2020. Social media trends means companies need to use social media to promote their products and services. The pandemic has also changed the social behavior, which lead to a new normal. Due to the COVID-19, people are less likely to go out and have social activities. The desire of consumption restricted. Technological. The development of mobile technology has already changed the payment methods into online payments. The limitations of branch are largely compensated by online banking and modern financial services. Legal. COVID-19 has sparked GDP growth decline, which made the Reserve Bank of Australia to lower the interest rate by 0.25% from 0.50% to counter the pandemic and encourage the business. Environment. Due to COVID-19, CBA is experiencing the economic impact of this global pandemic. The pandemic has evolved into comprehensive economic crisis, and this has prompted the Research Bank of Australia to lower the cash rate twice in March 2020, between 0.50% and 0.25%. Strengths. Commonwealth Bank provides Innovation Lab. CBA Innovation Lab has been involved with the hatchery, providing membership advice to students. Also, this provides opportunities for maintaining innovative thinking. Weaknesses. CBA provides less promotion strategies. Most customers prefer other banks due to lack of choices, making competitive preferable. Opportunities. New taxation policy affects the way of doing business and provides new opportunities for established participants such as the CBA, and use big data to analyze customer service needs. New trends in customer behavior can now open new markets for the CBA to diversify product. Threats. According to the Australian News, the unemployment rate has rose up to 7.1% in May 2020, which is the highest rate during the last 19 years. And there are over 227,700 people lost their jobs in May.
Corporate analysis. Founded in 1911, Commonwealth Bank of Australia today has more than 15.9 million customers, 48,000 employees, and more than 800,000 shareholders, standing on the number one position in Australia's Big Four institutions with statutory net profit after tax of $6,161 million, which is 34% including the profit on sale of CFSGAM. Commonwealth Bank of Australia today has more than 1,500 branches and more than 4,300 ATMs in Australia. Bank of Australia provides the services such as corporate services, family services, business and institutional financial services, asset management, insurance, and investment services. Bank of Australia includes brands such as ASB Bank, which is functioning in New Zealand, Bankwest, Comsec, and Colonial First State, which is global asset management organization.
about competition are mainly analyzed through the Port 5 forces. Commonwealth Bank has many competitors in the banking industry. The existing competitors include NAB, Westpac, and ANZ. Each bank deploys multiple strategies for the same market. The level of rivalry in the Australian banking industry is quite stiff. The bargaining power of buyers are relatively high, and there exists less costs in switching from Commonwealth Bank to other banks, and strong customer base increases bargaining power too. About suppliers. When suppliers have adequate knowledge of price sensitivity more than the bank, suppliers' bargaining power are very high. On the contrary, when there exist numerous suppliers, their bargaining power is relatively low. Commonwealth Bank faced competition of threat for substitute products offered by competitors. However, threats of substitute products are not that common in the banking industry in Australia. The entry threshold of the banking industry is higher than other industries. Hence, new interests rarely appear in the banking industry.
I'm Farhana Haq and I'm going to talk about customer analysis and strategies through marketing mix. Customer analysis. Customer analysis helps companies to know about their competitive position in the marketplace. We segmented Commonwealth Bank's customers into 5 categories based on their purchasing pattern. One is non-customer, which includes customers of other banks and younger customers who have the potential to become the current customers. Then low-value customers. These are limited financial need or customers who have accounts in several different other banks. Then medium-value customers. Then high-value customers who have larger loans or deposits in Commonwealth Bank, and they are very costly to retain as well. Then ex-customers who close their accounts or been inactive. Also, CBA believes in becoming a simpler and better bank for their customers. Commonwealth Bank has gained 76.7% customer satisfaction by providing trustworthy network and security for their customers, being available for 24/7. They also have highest interest rate on savings account deposit. And now Commonwealth Bank is serving 15.9 million customers with 7 million active digital customers.
Commonwealth Bank primary goal is to increase market share by 30% in the next 3 years. Object 1 is better customer satisfaction. Commonwealth Bank improves the customer experience by developing mobile phone apps. The app can reach many customers and understand their needs. This app simplifies the procedure and improves convenience for customer life, which not only improve customer satisfaction but also increase loyalty to bank. Object 2 is customer engagement. Commonwealth Bank creates personalized messages for customers. Personalized message enables better interaction between banks and customers. In order to let customers rest assured to use the bank's business, Commonwealth Bank improves strong security measures. Object 3 is investing in innovation to diversify product line. Commonwealth Bank invests more than $1 billion annually to develop Fantic. The Kitchen mobile payments app is another innovation strategy by Commonwealth Bank that assists iPhone users to make multiple payments. Object 4 is a customer referral program. Clients can get referral from people they understand and chat. That strengthens the relationship between the banks. Commonwealth Bank intends to contract professional referral as partners to improve its marketing.
Current and future competition. Market segmentation. Market segmentation refers to the division of customers into different consumer groups according to certain criteria. Commonwealth Bank targets Australian citizens who is 18 to 80 years old and who want security financial service. Targeting. It's significant for businesses to target the right customers. CBA has 17.4 million customers, including young and migrants segment. CBA is the leading bank in home lending and deposits. The target market of CBA is conservative adult or all genders in need of financial services. Positioning. According to Green and Krieger, in positioning, the marketing department shapes the image of the product according to the age, gender, marital status, and so on of the target audience. Service quality differentiates CBA from their competitors and is the #1 mobile banking app in Australia.
Strategies through marketing mix. To achieve our proposed goals, we believe Commonwealth Bank could open new affordable product line under their product strategy for student, low-income worker or new parents. This will attract new target market. Under pricing strategy, Commonwealth Bank can offer cashback for customers who use Commonwealth Bank card while purchasing from their selected partners. Also, they can provide loyalty discounts and reduce interest rate for long-term customers. Then under placing strategy, Commonwealth Bank can arrange retail shop or ATM inside education providers' campuses, which can create jobs for students and availability of banking facility for them. This can increase customer satisfaction and grab young target market. Then under promotional strategy, Commonwealth Bank can increase their digital marketing platforms by using search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and content marketing. This way, Commonwealth Bank can reach customers who are using different social media platforms, and they can educate people regarding their purchase and regarding their products. And this will definitely increase customer engagement and customer satisfaction. Another marketing mix is people, and that plays a very important role to grab customer satisfaction. We suggest Commonwealth Bank can groom their employees, and that can ensure a smooth customer experience in branches, and it definitely will increase customer satisfaction. Then, as per the process strategy, we suggest Commonwealth Bank can use more digitalized ATMs and hire more people and use technological equipment on customer service or customer care to reduce wait time, because it is one of the problems in Commonwealth Bank's customer service now. Then under physical evidence strategy, we suggest Commonwealth Bank can arrange digital signage to grab attention and make customers engage with the new product. It will be on a screen that they can arrange in every branches to show people about their coming products or what are their existing products are. Then under partnership strategy, we suggest Commonwealth Bank to partner with hospitals and allow customers to pay bills from mobile phone and on payment plans. This will give customers a room to breathe to get expensive hospital facilities, and this will definitely increase customer satisfaction and they will trust on Commonwealth Bank. And Commonwealth Bank also make partnership with NGOs to provide financial support to underprivileged people. The next marketing mix element is promise. Promise create trust, and Commonwealth Bank can promise to provide halal or Islamic loan for Muslim customers. This way they can also create a new product line and increase customer loyalty and customer trust, and eventually that will bring customer satisfaction. The next one is principles. If Commonwealth Bank create a principle that will attract more customers and that will create trust in Australia. That will be if they increase the quota for indigenous community and give them extra benefits, because these people feels minority in this country. So if they bring something up for them and have a principle for them, it will be satisfactory for those kind of people. The next one is performance. We believe through using more digitalized process and employee motivation, Commonwealth Bank can ensure better performance and customer satisfaction, because a motivated and satisfied employee can ensure a satisfied customer. Then the last element is provenance. It actually is mean being traceable and have all the information open to the customers. Commonwealth Bank already has their details in public and can emphasize more on history and storytelling through their website, where people will get to know more about them, and these will connect people with Commonwealth Bank's integrity and Commonwealth Bank's norms. So these are the strategies we are suggesting to Commonwealth, because through these they can definitely get more customer satisfaction and more customer engagement.
Sustainability, CSR, and ethical implication of the chosen strategy. Addressing the global pandemic COVID-19 crisis. Because of the emergence created worldwide due to coronavirus, as a part of CSR implication, we can promote and distribute the mask and hand sanitizer to the customers visiting branch offices and the frontline employees and the other vulnerable groups of our society. Partnering with the leading voluntary organization, which are non-profit or not-for-profit organization, with the purpose of co-branding, we can collaborate with the leading voluntary organization which currently is proactive in terms of addressing the current social problems. Sustainability everywhere. Usage of environmentally sustainable products in day-to-day operations, such as recyclable and recycled products. Promotion of the CSR activities done by CBA. To do so, we can start our YouTube channel showcasing video presentation of the case studies of our organization's CSR activities. Promoting the ethical practices. As a part of encouraging and emphasizing on ethical practices, the organization can take some steps in direction of rewarding good and ethical behavior at the workplace.